right? So remember, those of you who took that short when I told you price right now 85, it's gonna continue going all the way to 79. We have one more point, and remember that that's 79. I moved it down 1 point to 78. Okay, very important. Okay, 78. Okay. Alrighty then. So that break of 84, right? When I open the room, that break right here of 84 is gonna take the price to initially to 79, and I just brought it down one more point to 78. Okay. Alrighty, and remember, right? We have a very important level, 81. As long as the price is below 81, then we are expecting the price to eventually take 78, right? And continue going down, right? Continue, right? 78, right? Continue going down all the way to 71. Okay, 69, 71. All right, so that's the target for the bears. All right, 71, 69, right here, 71, 61. Okay, as long as the price is below 81, I doubt that by we all know the open, right? We know the open. Okay, we all know the open. Anything can happen at the open, right? Okay, but you just want to make sure that that we know all that stuff. 78, right? So as long as the price is below 71, then we believe that there's gonna be a continuation to all those levels that I told you. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see. Okay, the open is coming, and let's see. Let's watch that open. Alrighty. Okay, 81. Very important level. 81 today. From the breakout 84. Right, 84, 85, 84 from that breakout. And I told you price is going to continue going down to 79. I moved it down to 78. And we know the importance of 81. Time right now, 9:25, 5 minutes to open. And we know the open. We know that this thing can destroy 81 and go up to the moon or go to hell, right? In a couple of minutes. We all know that. That's why we love the open. Right? So we're going to be watching. Look 81, right? So look at 81, right? So support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support, trading 101, right? Price took 81. It went all the way to 81 point. That tells you the chop action that we're having, right? Remember, chop our biggest enemy. All right, but look at that 81 acting as resistance now. Okay, we're gonna watch it real carefully because remember, the more time the price spent above 81, then the bulls are in control. Okay, all right. So as long as the price is below 81, yeah, sure, right? We're sure 84, right? Breakout 84, and we decided that there is enough strength to take it to 79, and I moved it down 1 point to 78, right? All right, and as long as the price is below this 81 right here, then we think that the price is gonna continue going down to our levels of support. All righty, 78, it's gonna be some shenanigans right there, and then we're gonna watch it go to 71. So 71 to 84, we're looking for a 14-point trade off of that breakout 84. All right, 1 minute to open, and we all know that at the open, the smart money can easily take it all the way back to 84 so easily. It's not even funny how easy they can take it all the way to 84, right? And then we have to see how the price behave there and make a decision. As long as the price is above 81, then we believe that the bulls are the ones in control, so we're gonna be looking to buy support. All right, okay, so open is coming. See that? 82, right? Good, right? 82. And it couldn't take it. It had to come right back down, right? So this is really important, right? Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. All right, so okay, so price went to 79. I was expecting one more point to 78, and we are still of the same opinion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So, all right, so we all saw the price take 81, right? And go all the way to 82. It couldn't, had to come right back down. We're gonna be dancing around 81. And remember what I told you, we're gonna have our eye real close. Never let a winner turn into a loser, right? As long as the price is above 81, we know that the bulls would be in control, right? Okay, so this is as tough open as it gets. Remember, the overall market direction is bullish. Alrighty. Okay, so this bounce right here off of 79, right? It's in alignment with the overall market direction. Direction is what, Mystic?
King.
It's king. Where is the price now? Above 81, right? Okay, so price goes, takes 81, it comes right back down, right? Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so the main play is now that break of 81. Price right now, it's 83. Okay. So we had to watch it, right? Boom. Okay, so we know price, the bulls are in control. The main play is long, that break of 81, right? That break of 81. Okay, it took a while. It took 2 minutes for the smart money to make a decision, right? But we've known for half an hour the importance of 81. Boom, clean break of 81. We know now that the main play is bullish, right? Of course, 84. Remember 84? 84 was the initial entry short that we wanted the price to go to 78. It only went to 79. All right, so we made 4 points right here. Now we change hats, and we believe that the trend is the minuscule trend, right? This is all big time chop. Okay, main play is that break of 81. Alrighty, that's our confirmation that that the main play is bullish, right? And we were waiting for it. And I told you how many times I said, and we still remember that this smart money is being doing a turnaround at the open, right? Look at the way these things gone down 15 points. Bang! The open comes, and then they turn around and they go long. We have confirmation when it broke 81. We know that it's gonna go right here to our initial entry. This 84, 85, of course, are resistance, but that we think that the price is going to take. All right. Okay. So 91. Remember we are in a. Okay. Hold on a second. I remember, ladies and gentlemen, we are in a snake wave. 78 the low, so that's where you go long. Yeah, I know. We would have loved it for the price to go to 78 so that we can go long the low of the snake wave that I called 45 minutes ago, right? And what's the high? 91. So we are expecting a continuation all the way to 91. All right? Okay. And why Why are we comfortable being long now this time around? Because of the break of 81. Look at that beautiful break of 81. Look at it. Boom, 81. Look at that 86. That's 5 points. All right. Bulls are in control. Main play is long. And we're going to do everything in our power to ride it all the way to, ladies and gentlemen, 91 by way of, you're not going to believe this, but it's 88. Okay, 88. 88 is the first resistance. 88. Bada bing, bada boom, 80. Okay, so we have 88, 89, 90, 91. All right. So the break out to the upside 81, we change hats to bull. We are all long the break of 81, 82 if you're a little bit late. And we are expecting the price to go to 84, break it, and continue going to 88. And then we're going to have some shenanigans right there, 88. And then target one is going to be 91, which is the high of this snake wave. And the overall market direction, remember, ladies and gentlemen, I told you, is bullish. It's slightly bullish. So we don't hesitate when the price breaks 81. We don't hesitate in change hats. We turn around with the market because we know that being long, we would be in alignment with the overall market direction. And as long as the price is above 81, we believe that it's going to continue. It's going to go to 85. Already did. 85, 86, right there. The shenanigans. 88 is going to be even tougher because to be more detailed, this is going to be a choppy open. Okay, so I'm not expecting a continuation all the way to 91 in a straight line. That's not going to happen. Especially today, Tuesday, the day that the FOMC meeting begins, and tomorrow is the FOMC announcement, right? So all this week, it's 8 times a year, right? You know, so a professional trader needs to know, right, what type of market conditions we are trading. We here at CTC have setups every day, no matter what. All right, but that doesn't mean that we are aggressive, but we're not careless. All right. Okay. So at all times we need to know everything. What's the overall market direction? What's the market conditions? What's the entire environment? What's the market mood? Right. All right. Okay. So let's go. Let's go. 88. That's not gonna be easy. I'm telling you. 88 and then 91. So we need to know at all times everything. So we have to watch every single tick, every single minute, every single candle, every single bar, every single code, every single support, every single resistance. Market is dynamic. Remember, it's changing all the time. Okay, so be on the lookout. Alrighty. Okay, we're having it looks like we're gonna be having a new rotation pretty soon. I'm waiting to see confirmation. Yay. Okay. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, listen to this and listen to this very carefully. This high right here is extremely important. This one right here, the one that the market just placed, 86. All right. Okay. Really, really important. Okay. Okay. This high right here is very important. This 86. Okay. Very important. Okay. So what does that mean? Very important. Okay. Remember, 81 is no longer 81. Now is this 86. It's not over yet. But listen and listen to this extremely carefully. Okay. All right. This high right here is a swing high, and it's going to determine. It took the place of 81. It is this one right here. It is this one, 86. The new divider is the new key level that is going to determine who's in control. Okay, very important. So as long, listen to this, it's very important. As long as the price is clearly below this 86, the bears took over short term. Okay, short term, because the overall market direction is still bullish. Oh my God, this is so complicated, Capi, man. Well, yeah, that's right. It's called day trading. All right, it's called day trading, and we need to see every single action that the market takes. All right, and that's what's going on right now. We want to know at all time exactly what's going on. All right, this 86 right here is a divider. It's a key level that is going to, it's like 81 before. It's no longer 81, 82. It is 86 now. Alrighty. So 86, as long as the price is below 86, it's resistance. So taking 86 and continuation to 91, that's not gonna be easy. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay. All right, big thank you. A clean break of 86. Forget about 88. It's no longer important. It will destroy 88 and continue to 91. All right, but we need a clean break of here, 86. All righty, we need a clean break. We don't get a clean break. So what's the difference between a clear momentum? You know, if there is no juice behind that, we also that spike from 85 to 87, right? It couldn't go, right? It's trying to take 86, it can. Trying to take it, it couldn't get 86 quarter, 86 half. It cannot take it. It's a key level. It's extremely important, right? So I'm gonna repeat: a clean break of it, it'll continue going to 91, and that's 87, and we would be boom. Okay, it's taking it now. Don't worry about it. Don't get out at 88. All right. The 88 is probably going to stop it a little bit, but but it will be taken and it'll continue to 91. All righty. So, okay. So we are, ladies and gentlemen, that break of 81 is going to take us to 91, and we are going to see how our job is to make these 10 points. All righty. So now we have a higher level, right? 81 gave us the entry, right? Entry long, 81, beautiful. It breaks 81 and then it comes back down and then it bounces and then it goes back up, 81, clean break of 81. So 81, and we want to go to 91. So we want to make 10 points on this first leg, on this first unit. Remember that we trade 3 units, right? 3 targets. We're going after 3 targets. Target 1, 91 for 10 points. And then we continue watching the price action, and we'll see how it does what it's gonna do. And then right, and then eventually Goldman Sachs is gonna call me and tell me if they're gonna break 91 and continue going up to God knows where. We'll see about that, right? In the meantime, our job is to let it ride to 91 so that we are on our way to make 10 points. So we were before the open, summary, before the open, short 84. We thought price was going to go to 79. It did. I moved it down 1 point for us to go long. We would have gone long 78. So we would be much, much better. Instead of long 81, we would have been long 78, 3 points. That's terrific. I love that edge. But we knew it was a tough open, right? So price never went to our support 78 because I changed it from 79 to 78 1 point. So smart money fooled me completely, right? And so it was going to go to 78. They went to where I said it was going to go first, 79. It's okay. We knew the importance of 81, clean break of 81. Boom, we all go long, change hat. We're no longer bearish, expecting the price to go to all those 69, 71, 63, well, all those levels. Not that they're not there anymore. Put him in the back burner. All righty. Change hats to pull, clean break of 81. We all go long. And remember, look at 88. Mistake. Didn't I say 88 was going to be a pain in the butt?
You did.
Look at that. 88. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. And he cannot take it. However, I told you, right? Don't take profits 88 because we are on our way to 91. Now, depending on your position size, right? Yeah, and depending on your positions, that's 88 half, right?
Yep.
Depending on your position size, and if you are on all in all out, and you like to have a great win ratio, right? You know that the odds that we're gonna get my target one, they're really good, right? We get target one, what, 80, 90% of the time, mistake?
Yeah.
All right, so those of you who like to those of you who only go to target one, stop, break even, right, and start trading. Stop, break even, start trading. Start trailing this baby all the way to 91. Long story short. All right, so 88 is back in the picture. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this 88 right here is back in the picture. It's gonna give us a little bit of a hard time. You just heard me speak. All right, so okay, no problem, right? So we tight the leech, and let's write this baby all the way to 91, moving up the trail. That trade we took, right, being short and changing hats to bull, it's a day trading at its utmost. Okay, day trading at its utmost high quality. Why? Two reasons. Number one, you need to know the importance of that 81, which is what gave us confirmation. Number two, and even more important, and I guarantee you that there is a lot of traders that know about the 81 and they didn't have the balls or the coconut to change hats to bull, and they are being destroyed right now. I'm telling you, all right? They just didn't. They don't have the capacity. They don't have the ability. They don't have the fortitude to follow what the system says, right? Even though they know that a clean break of 81 pulls take control and the price is going to be looking to go all the way to the initial entry short 84, break it and continue to 91. So we hope. They didn't go long. You know what they're doing? I'm gonna tell you exactly what they're doing. They're adding to a loser. They didn't get out of this short, and now they're just adding to a loser. They went short again 84, and I told you don't short 84 because this thing is going to 91. What the hell are you gonna short 84 for? Well, because it was support and that became resistance became support. So sure, I understand that, but no, if it's gonna go to a 91, don't take that chance, right? So they're adding to a loser right now, and listen to this. As soon as they break even, right? Because if they know about 88, 89, they added to a loser there. If they're lucky, right? And as soon as they break even, they're gonna get the hell out, and that's what I'm counting on to take the price all the way to 91. Okay. My point is, we knew that 88 was going to give us a hard time. We knew it 10 minutes before. So right now you see that recoil off of 88, and you are expecting it. Of course, you don't want the price to go all the way to 84, right? You don't want the price to go all the way to 84. 84 is our first support, right? Remember when the price broke our entry short? Right? It was support, it became resistance, right? Boom, broke resistance, terrific, it becomes support. We want to ride it all the way to 91, right? So So in other words, we need to know that this action right now, this behavior of the price from 89 all the way back to 86, these 3 points, we were expecting it. All right. So, and the reason I told you all of that is because I don't want the smart money to be able to shake you out. I don't want him to shake you out, right? All right. Now, if you're trading scare money, of course you'll be shaken out. If you're trading stupid money, of course you'll be shaken out. If you're trading impatient money, you will be, well, you'll take out yourself. You got the point, right? If you want to be a professional, real professional trader with a humongous winning rate, then you have to do everything I'm telling you, right? Long story short, okay. Are we gonna buy a Lamborghini every day, Mystique? No, we're not. We have to. This is such a sharp, beautiful bounce off of 79. No question about it. 79, 89, 10 points, right? Okay. All right. We wanted to take the long at 78, but all right, we didn't get it. All right. We're not going to get our entries always razor sharp, right? So it is what it is. Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. So let's have this. Thank you very much. Thank you, Shani, for right consumer confidence coming, and let's go ahead and consumer confidence is it's it's a market mover. So let's watch it. Look at that mistake. 88, 75 cannot take the 88. Right? Well, didn't we say that?
We did.
Yeah, but I had to bring it back when you told me that 88 came back to the picture. Right? But all right, so let's go for it. All right. So I'm already looking, ladies and gentlemen, for target 2, okay? All right.
Okay, boom, 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 boom. 91.
Okay. Okay, Mystique.
91 quarter.
Is that 91 quarter?
91 quarter.
That's pretty good, isn't it?
That's pretty awesome.
Okay then.
So target 1 hit.
Target 1 hit. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay. Alrighty then. Beautiful. Let's all right, so target 1, target 2. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking, well, target 2. What do you think target 2 is? It's 99. Right? Oh my God, 99. Yeah, remember we have 91 is the high of this wave, so that's our target 1. And then what's the next resistance? It's 99, which is both a psychological level and a prosadical level. Alrighty? Oh my God, so how is that gonna be? Well, remember that target 1 is always a candidate.
Yes.
91, our targets, it's always a candidate for a counter trend.
That's right.
All righty, so, oh my God, Capi, so can we go counter trend right here? Listen. Okay, hay un tipo nuevo. What's his name? Green what? Oh, okay, yeah.
Green Freak.
All right. Hey, listen.
Wait, I'm watching what everybody's profits.
All right, okay, so never mind. All right, so, Mistake, deja de eso y sigue con tu vaina. So, ladies and gentlemen, okay, hold on a second. Alrighty, okay, hold on a second. What is this shit? All right, okay, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so counter trend. What's the name of the guy? Green something, right? Green whatever. Hey, listen, you need to understand. We have a guest here today. Counter trend doesn't mean that you get out of the main play long that we are 81. It's just that we take advantage of our levels of support and resistance. And the reason is, and let me know if you're hearing what I'm telling right now because it's extremely important. The reason 91 is target 1 is because it's resistance. So We short 91, 92, 93. We short it as a counter trend with the micros, with a smaller position size. But just because we're short 91, 92, that doesn't mean that we are out of the main play long. As a matter of fact, traders that don't like to counter trend, you don't have to take it, all right? If you want to trade with the trend, you stay long. No, I'm not going to take the counter trend short 92. Don't take it. Don't worry about it. We will, and we do, and we don't. We do it all the time. And the last thing I need to tell you is that sometimes those counter trends end up being the beginning of a new move. Do me a favor and let Mystique know if you just heard what I said. Okay. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, look at that counter trend short 92, 88. Gee, Mystique, 88. Right? What a shocker that the price goes to 88, right?
Right.
All right. Okay, so summary. We are long 81, target 191 for 10 points, and we are taking advantage that target 1 is resistance, and we shorted counter trend 91, 92, right? And the price just went to 88, so we're up 3 points on the counter trend, and we are still long 2 more units, target 2, 99. All right, we can change hats any second, so believe you me, the odds that we're gonna get target 1, of course, they're pretty good, right? The odds that we're gonna get target 2, that's, they're a little bit tougher, but we have good records, right? Getting target 2, do we not?
Yes, we do.
All right, and the odds that we're gonna that we're gonna get target 3, well, that's a challenge. There's no question about it. All right, it's okay. Stop, break even, start trading. Remember that the aim of this room is to be profitable every single day. Okay, so alrighty then. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So look at that counter trend short. Look at it. Right? Look at the counter trend short. How beautiful it is, right? Look at it, right? Okay. And that's why we counter trend, right? Yes, I know we are short 91, 92 with a small position size. So what? I told you today, all this week is not gonna be a Lamborghini day. Alrighty, so we're gonna milk the price action all this week as much as we can. Not expecting to nail a trend because we know that the odds of having a trend this week is not likely, right? So no Lamborghini, no problem. In the meantime, we just made 10 points we made 4 points on the way down before the open, 10 points on the way up, and now we're short 92, 91, right? Counter trend. Right, the trend. What is this? A mistake? 85, 86, right? Not bad. That's another 5 points on this counter trend, right? And we're gonna do it the same. We're gonna do it the same way
Cappy, you have a robot hangover bear.
Bear?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm going into bully too.
All right. Thank you for letting me know. Let me look at it. So 88 is now the new is the new key level. 88, right? Okay, so 88 back in business. All right, it's gonna be very important. This 88, as long as the price is above 88. Okay, bulls are in control. We have 2 units left that we want to ride all the way to here it is that we want to ride all the way to 99. All right, so as long as we are comfortably above 88, then we're okay, right? It's gonna take some time, of course, and okay, it's gonna take some time, of course, because all this action right here, it's a tough one. All right, so we're gonna be on a minor channel 85.93, right? 85.93, right? 8 points. These 8 points here is gonna be a little bit pain in the butt. However, as long as the price is above 88, ladies and gentlemen, we are confident that the price is gonna test 91, the high of day 92 have, eventually break it and continue to 99, right? So if that happens, right, then we're looking at a from our original long, right, from our original long
81 long.
81, the breakout. Yeah, thank you, mistake. The breakout 81. Then we are from 81 to 99. That's 18 points, isn't it?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So that's what we're after. And listen to this and tell me if there is another room in the planet Earth that do this.
Nope.
All right. We're long. We know exactly what the levels of support resistance is, so that we know exactly where to put our trail, how to do it, what the odds are as to where the price is gonna go. We know what the main play is, and my favorite mistake, you know that this is my favorite, is the counter trends.
I know you love those.
You know, are you kidding me? Not right. So, but I'm gonna tell you, don't make no mistake. Do not treat a counter trend like the main play. If you're not long, let's say for whatever reason you are an all in all out, and you just went to 91, bam, you just made your 10 points, you're happy, right? You're just here flat, waiting just to because you love trading, and you're not gonna trade anymore till tomorrow again. That's terrific, right? So no, you still have two more units because you wanna milk this action. I mean, if you have a system that is telling you all of this in advance and telling you exactly how to manage your position, what the price is gonna do, how it's gonna do it, why not, right? Why not? Can I guarantee, Mystique, that the price is gonna go to 99?
No guarantee.
Of course not. So that's what trade management is for, right?
Right.
All right. So, and in the meantime, we take advantage of this nice counter trend short 91, 92 that just went to 85, 86, right? This is a nice 5 points. That
Very nice.
of course, in the meantime, right? Just leave your main play alone, right? Just tighten the leash, stop break even, start trailing. You know what the most important levels of support and resistance are, so you know exactly what to do with your trail, and you have direction, you have future direction, right?
Yes.
So if you want to milk, if you want to take the most advantage of your trading session today, then you gotta, at the highest level, do exactly what we do here. All right, so we're gonna be in this job for a while. That's bad news for us because we don't want to be in the market too long, right? We're not getting. We wanna make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have a chop now. This 86, 93, 85, and 83. This 7 points. We're gonna be in chop here, and the longer we are on this chop, the more difficult it gets to. The more difficult it gets to procrast.
Procrastinate?
No, not procrastinate.
To what?
No, okay, procrastinate. All right,
Oh,
to forecast. What the hell is the matter with me?
I don't know.
The tougher the our forecast, the odds that our forecast is gonna be accomplished diminish, right?
Yes.
Because that's the definition of chop. Chop is our worst enemy, right? Okay, so this is what's going on right now. We have this low right here, 84. Okay, remember that 84 one short for the open that went all the way to 79.
Yes.
That's the new low. 84 is the new low. Okay, 84 is the new low. 88 is the divider. Look at that. Price just went to 88, could not take it, and it had to bounce back up. All right. That's chop. All right. If the price do take 88, then the next support that it's not gonna be that swing. It's not gonna be that pivot low right here, 85, 86. It's gonna be 84, 83. Okay. So we bulls main play. Those of us who still have uh, 2 units left that we want to ride all the way up. We want the price to go test the high of day 92, 93, break it and continue to 99. That, my friends, gonna it's not gonna be an easy. Here I go with my easy word again. As if there is anything easy about day trading, honestly.
There is losing money.
That's the only thing that is easy, is losing money. All right, well, you know what I mean. It's gonna be a tough chop here. So hang in there. We are all clear. 88 is extremely important for us now, and 86 is not big deal. 86 is nothing more than the smart money taking the price and taking the stop, because they know that all the amateurs have the stop right there at 86. They know that all the teenagers on YouTube, all the millionaire teenagers on YouTube that been trading for 6 months and now they're making millions in their demo account, they have the stop right there at 86, right? So that's not a big deal. 83, on the other hand, is a big deal. All righty then. Day after FOMC, that's a tougher day for me than the FOMC day itself.
Yes, you've said that before.
All right, I don't know why. I still haven't been able to figure it out, but but I know, man, that the conditions and the day after are so tough to predict, because remember, we have a prediction addiction. That's our edge right here. Right? What do you think when the price broke 81 and I told everybody price is going to 91? What do you think that is? Projection is a prediction, isn't it?
It is.
All right. So you know that there is a lot of fake gurus out there that tell you trade what you see, not what you think. What do you think I was thinking when I went long 81? I was thinking that the price is gonna go to 91, 10 points. I don't know. Man. Hey, listen, we're gonna bring 99. We're gonna bring it to 95. Can you believe that, mistake? Look at that. Goldman just called me,
Okay.
and they say that it's not 99 anymore. Now it's 95. 95? Are you kidding me? That's right there.
So target 2 is 95?
Yeah, 95. Can you believe that? So of course we're gonna see. Please. So in other words, if now target 2, right? It's 90. It's 90. 95, right? Well, it's a range still. Okay, it's still a range. But look at that humongous range, 95 to 99. That's 4 points. That's not fun. All right, but now locking 95 is not a it's good money management, right? Money management. There are different kinds of money management, by the way, right? We're gonna call it money management for the people that don't know what money management is. All right. Anyway, so 99 just came down 4 points to 95. That, my friend, is called. Alrighty. Okay. But that's a good thing, because a lot of amateurs, they have no clue the market condition. If we are in a job, if it's gonna continue, where is it gonna go? Clean break, where is all of that stuff. Okay, let's see. Yeah, 95 right here, real clear. Oh, please. Okay. Alrighty then. So, okay, so, chop begun, right? Half an hour ago, and it'll continue. All right. Chop began half an hour ago, and it will continue. All right. Okay. No problem. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we need to do. All right, everybody. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, Sean is left. Okay, and Nas, you're leaving too? Yeah. I understand why you guys are leaving. Yeah, of course. Man, alrighty. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah, I understand. You know why you guys are leaving. You wanna do what I encourage here every day. Just like we never let just like we never let a win turn into a loser. We never let a green day go red, right? So yeah, sure, we have 5 point, 10, and 5 on this one, right? 15, 20 points. No Lamborghini. You know that I'm not expecting a Lamborghini today. So leaving it's perfectly okay, you know, right? And you know what? You don't want to be tempted to take another tray, and that's what you're leaving. I understand. All righty then. Right? And now that I brought 99 down to 95, right? That makes the high of day 92, right? The 92 half, that makes it stronger. So that tells us that that the counter trend shore it has a higher odds of continuing working out, right? Remember though, longer term, the durable play. Remember that we have scalp, swag, and the durable. The durable is still there. Overall market direction is still bullish. So and we all know that it can change any second. The overall market direction can go from bullish to bearish. We know that, right? Especially on this type of chart. Okay. All right. So watch out. Okay, 88, ladies and gentlemen, 88, extremely important. This one right here, 88. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay. Oh, please, didn't I tell you? Didn't I tell you that the smart money was gonna drop the price all the way to that pivot low? 85, right? To take the stops of all the teenagers. Look at it. Bang! It just took all the stop and it had to bounce back up. All right. So what are we doing now? Well, we're watching this 88 because we know that if the smart money stays below 88, then they're going to be looking to go all the way down to the low 83, right? Right here, 83, right? And of course 82, right? Okay, here it is. All right. All right. So of course, to take all the stops of all the teenagers on YouTube, the millionaire teenagers on YouTube, to take their stop on their demo account, price has to go all the way to 85, took them all, but the price is also below 88. Okay, and that's extremely important to us because we know the importance of 88. If the price ends spend more time below 88, then the bears are the ones taking control. However, right now, neither the bulls nor the bears are in control. Why? Because I told you we are in a massive chop. If we are in a chop, then the the snakes are the ones in control. Right? Snake sideways, bull bullish, right? Up, bear down, right? Okay, and there's a couple more. There are weasels, there are kangaroos, there are turtles. There's a whole bunch of animals uh, depicting the price action of the in the day trading industry. It's not just bull and bear. It's a lot more than that, and we know them all, right? So the price just this is so funny, man. This is laughable. So we just saw the smart money go twice for the stops of all the teenagers. right? 85, right? 85, 86, 85. Uh, you know, on the first attempt, it took a whole bunch, and then they saw that there were still some more stops right there. They went for the second time. They took them all out. Now we need to figure out whether they're gonna take it. Are they gonna take 85 and go to our low? Um, 80, 80, 83, right? 83, 84. And remember, 81 is still there, by the way. Okay, right? It's just that we had another one, 88. But 81 is still here. Is still there. Okay. All right. 81 is still there. It's just that we had another key level, 88. Look at that. Usually key levels are 10, 15, 20 points apart. Today, they're 7 points apart. 80, 81, 88. All right. My friends, that's the definition of job. Yeah, you got it. All right. So let's go to phase 7. Everybody, phase 7. Done. No questions asked. All righty. Okay. Okay. All righty. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Quarter to 11, and we all know 11:30 official shop began. Today, it began 45 minutes before the official shop begins. 11:30. Ah, it's okay. Don't worry about it. All right. Let's see. Let's see what's the smart money up to. Okay. Oh, gee. They're up to no good. Okay. Hold on a second, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay. There is another. There is another. Okay. Give me 1 second right here. There's another. There's another rotation. Okay. That's good. There's another rotation. And for the bulls, it's good that this rotation has the price going above 88. That's very important. Okay, we are on a new rotation right now, and the fact that this rotation brought the price above 88, okay, that's good news for the bulls. Okay, in other words, that's good news for all of us main play. All right, so now that you know that, good news for the bulls. What does that tell you? What does that tell the bears? Watch out, right? So we have to be careful with this counter trend short that's been working since, right? It's been working beautifully since the since before 10, right? Look at it. Price first time it drops to 85, and then it rallied back up to 91. Gee, what a coincidence. What a shocker. 91, our 91, right? Cannot take it, then it pulls back, and then it goes back to 91. It cannot take it, and it goes all the way back to the pivot low 85. Smart money taking the stops of all the teenagers, right? All the weak and the amateurs, taking all those stops, and now we are in a rotation that takes the price above 88. Oh my God, that's terrific. Yeah, that's right. Still 88, right? So we believe that they're done. Smart money is done taking the stops of the week. That's what we believe, right? Right? So we have a combination of a massive job for the rest of the day, possibly, and a new rotation that might bring us a little bit more volatility, which is what we want. All right, so let's watch 88. Right, let's watch the price off of 88 every single minute, every single second, every single bounce, every single turnaround. Right, we're gonna watch it like a hawk because that's gonna tell us what to do next. Other than go play golf, right? Done with it. The more the price is above 88, the choppier the action gets, and the choppier the action gets, the most difficult it is to predict the future move, which is what we are all about. Prediction. Predict what the price is going. Totally the opposite of what the fake gurus on YouTube tell you. All right? Okay. We are in a massive contraction right now, and we all know that the market is in a contraction, expansion, contraction, expansion, and not all contractions are created equal, not all expansions are created equal. We all know that, right? So our job is to figure out now, right? Because the odds that, listen to this, everybody, I'm pretty sure that this is going to be my last comment for today. The odds that a break is coming now, it's not going to be a beautiful momentum break. No. But the odds that the price is indeed going to take the high or the low are pretty good now because we are in a contraction. So our job now, for those of you who wants to learn how to manage, how to learn price action, right? So that you can understand exactly what the price is doing, why it's doing it, how it's doing it, right? So that you can be a professional trader. So if we are in a contraction, and so in other words, for those of you who wants to learn price action, how to profitable trade, consistently profit, you're in a massive contraction, right? Then that tell us that there's gonna be a trend is going to ensue. It's going to develop. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Our job now is to figure out whether this contraction is accumulation, right? Right? Accumulation, right? Oh my God, right? Okay. Is it accumulation? All right, so then there's going to be an advancement of the price. Or is it a distribution? It's going to be a decline, right? Decline is going to have to take that level 85 that I said is not that important other than the smart money taking this stuff. Now that 85 became really important. Okay? That 85 became really important. 85, 83. 3-point range are going to determine the strength of support. Repeat, 85, 83 is going to determine the strength of support. 85, 83, 2-point range holds, and then and then and then there's going to be an advancement. And I'm telling you all of this because chances are that by the time this happens, I'm out of here, right? And probably all of you too, right? Because of the job right here. So I want to make sure that before I go, I tell you all of this because this is what's to be expected for the rest of the day. All righty? All right. And a clean break of that 2-point range, right? Clean break of those two, then this action right now is a distribution, meaning the price is going to go down and it's gonna go down all the way back to our 81 and more. 81, and of course the low of day, which is 79, right? And the next support below 79, ladies and gentlemen, write this down. Okay, hold on a second. Alrighty, okay, and the next support below, right below, below this low right here, 79 is right. Forget about. Remember, we had 78. It's okay now. It's not 78. Why? Well, my friend, because we. Okay, hold on a second. Because we would be in a. Okay, hold on a second. Let me go ahead and draw it. All right, so 71 anyway, right? 79, 79, and it's a 2 point range. 70, 71, 71, 69. That's the target for the Bears. Alrighty? Okay. Let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Price back to G. 88. Really? Yeah, that's right. 88. So we have 88 and 85 and more chop, and we're pretty much done for the day, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. G. Back to 88. Well, I mean, come on, think about it, right? Back to 88. Oh, please, come on. All right, all right. Let's ride this baby to at least 95. All right. Of course, if we are right, our main play continues long. Price goes, you know, finally breaks 91, 93, goes to our 95. We're gonna watch it, right? We're gonna watch it go all the way to, of course, 99, which is one of our levels here, and and of course 600, which is a psychological level. Everybody knows that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's we're taking the high 93, and we all know where we're going, right? 95, target 2. Let's see how it gets there, all right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so, this is a good way for the price to take 95, right? Boom, all the way to 96. So, so, yeah, what's the mid range 95, 99? Well, of course, it's 96, 97, right? Okay. Okay, so this, the way we took it, look at that, 95, 96. It just cannot take the 95 back to 95, because what do you think this is happening? Because a whole bunch of bulls are locking 95. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we finally reach the high of the 4 point range, target 2, 99, and let me add to the tick. 99 to the tick, 12, 12.52.